What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here just riding and rambling on my way back from a ride. I was gonna do a cool cinematic shoot and just practice, but it didn't work out, and that's okay. So yeah, now we're just enjoying this beautiful sunset on the way home, thinking about warmer weather and the different rides I want to go do this year. I'm thinking beginning this year off, kick-starting the year off with Arizona Bike Week. Last year that was an incredible ride, and it's kind of hit or miss if we can get out there on a motorcycle, because when it snows, that whole area between like Utah and Vegas gets impacted pretty good. Just makes it hard to travel on a motorcycle. So worst case, I'll put this thing on a trailer, or my Dyna on a trailer, and take it down to Vegas and then head out from there. So that'll be number one, Arizona Bike Week. When I get there, I definitely want to explore more. Last year we kind of were just checking out the events because we had never been there before, so we wanted to see what it's all about. But I just personally enjoy riding more than sitting around and drinking or whatever, watching stunt shows. So that's probably what I'll do this time. And then our next trip will be probably July. Next trip will be the Beartooth Rally, and that's up there in Red Lodge, Montana. If you watched my Taking the 2-Lane series, wherever I ended up once I went over Beartooth Highway, that's Red Lodge, Montana. So the rally's there, and what's so incredible is on the way there we get to ride again the Teton National Park, Yellowstone, and Beartooth. So that'll be such a fun time. My wife said she's down to go on this one, so it'll be cool to have her with me. And then next up will be Sturgis. Yep, I got Sturgis time off this year too, so I'll be heading out there with the bike shop. And same thing I just said about Arizona Bike Week. Last year those guys didn't really they wanted to put their bikes in bike shows, and you know, it's kind of like they kind of have to, right? Because they're shop owners and they're trying to get their name out there and whatnot. So it's something that they actually have to do. But they're kind of with me on this one. Next trip to Sturgis, it's going to be at least a ride a day, or you know, we got to get out there and explore and get on the bikes. The reason that we do this, you know, the reason that we're passionate about motorcycles is not to show them off as much as it is to ride them. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I always love Sturgis. I feel like I meet so many cool people there. It's such a cool place to go, and the rides out there are just absolutely incredible. And then I think for the last rally that we're going to do in the year is going to be Four Corners Motorcycle Rally, and that's another one my wife's going to come with me on. So again, I always love having her company, man. She's so fun. But Four Corners, if you haven't been there, it's in Durango, Colorado, and it sits right next to the $1 Million Highway. The $1 Million Highway is an incredible ride. So scenic. The roads are super curvy, and there's a lot of spots where you're just like right on the side of a cliff. I mean, there's even a bridge that you can walk out onto that has a clear bottom, and you can see straight down right next to this waterfall, and right next to this town called Ouray. And that town there has got some awesome pizza. But anyways, so yeah, those are my few things I have signed up for leave for this year, time off for. I'm very excited to go do those rides. But in between those, I got things sprinkled in that I'm going to want to do. I always kind of, on my 1 or 2 days off, I just kind of head out and go into the mountains and go find some scenic roads and have a good time. But also, my buddy Southern Hogs, he said that him and his bro are going to ride out west. Now, they're not sure if they're going to make it to Utah, but regardless, whenever they head out, sometime around 4th of July, I'm going to be headed towards them. Because I gotta meet this guy. We've been friends on YouTube for a long time. He's super supportive of the channel. You'll see him in every single one of my comments, and just a solid dude. So I would love to put down some miles with him. And yeah, so that'll be around July. And I got some cool roads. If he can get into Utah, if he makes it into Utah, I got some awesome roads to show you. I got some awesome roads to show him. And I gotta take him on my favorite. You guys know Highway 12, man. Escalante. I gotta take him down there, because that is one of the most incredible roads in southern Utah, in my opinion. But yeah, so we're about to get on the freeway, so things are gonna get pretty loud in my helmet. So I'm gonna let you guys go, but what is this? A beautiful view. Oh, I love it. Love the views, man. That's one thing about Utah. If I ever leave here, I'm gonna really miss. These scenic views are every single place you look. But yeah, thanks for riding with me, guys, and look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. See you.